Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something cool, literally. If you're a fan of ice drinks, love soft, chewable nugget ice, or just want to step up your kitchen game, you're going to want to stick around. So I've been testing the GEVI-1000C nugget ice maker, and spoiler alert, this machine might just be your new favorite appliance this summer. In full transparency, I did get this product sent to me for free in the purpose of making this video. Now, the GEVI-1000C is a countertop nugget ice maker designed to deliver that signature soft yet crunchy ice that we all know and love. So think that sonic ice but on demand in your home. It starts producing ice in as little as 15 minutes, and with a daily output of 30 pounds, it can easily keep up with your family use, parties, or even just your daily iced coffee obsession. So let's talk features, because this machine is stacked. Now, it has a large 4.8 pound ice basket, so you can fill up to nearly 5 pounds of ice at a time. That's perfect if you're hosting friends or just like to prep ahead for the week. Now, it's got 360-degree thick insulation. This was a surprise to me. GEVI built in a premium insulation that keeps up to 85% of the ice frozen for 12 hours, even at 80 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you forget to empty it, no problem. Your ice doesn't melt into a puddle right away. It does have auto water refill. Self-cleaning maintenance is a breeze. It connects directly to your water line, or you can refill it manually. And the built-in self-cleaning function means no moldy crevices or hidden buildups. Just hit a button and let it do its thing. It does have a sleek stainless steel design. Looks matter, let's be honest, especially in the kitchen. The modern stainless steel finish with the transparent viewing window is super clean and fits in with most decors these days. Now, I've used the GEVI-1000 for everything from coffees, smoothies, post-workout hydrations, and if you have kids, it's a game changer. They love it. The ice is soft and chewable, not hard cubes that hurt sensitive teeth, and it's great for entertaining too. You'll never hear, "We're out of ice." So some quick pros: fast ice production, great capacity, super easy maintenance, looks amazing on your countertop. Now, as for considerations, this isn't the most compact ice maker out there. It's a bit of a countertop commitment, but honestly, I think it earns the space with performance, especially through a long summer like where I live, where it gets to 100+ degrees for a few months. So as I'm editing this, I just grabbed myself a glass of water, threw some of that ice from the ice maker in it, and I've realized a couple of things I've missed out. One is the fact that because of the way the ice is designed, even though it's soft and chewable, it actually stays frozen for a pretty long time, because as you can see, it kind of all groups together and makes like a nice solid piece of chunky ice. And the second thing, it tastes really good. Now, I do add filtered water into the machine. That's just a personal preference. But again, I think it just tastes fantastic. I do have some of the ice here, and of course we have to do it. You guys do deserve to hear that crunch test. And of course, there's that crunch test you guys deserve. It's really just that chewable, but yet stays so frozen at the same time. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Overall, the GEVI-1000 has become a staple in my kitchen. If you're serious about your ice drinks or just love high-end functional gadgets that make everyday life better, then well, this one is a no-brainer. If you are interested in the GEVI-1000C, want some more information, we are going to leave a link in the description below. Head over there. Please share this with a friend who you think may be interested. Comment what your favorite feature was. Hit that like button, and of course, subscribe for more great reviews like this. We'll see you in the next one.